Welcome home to this wonderful and well-maintained townhouse in the heart of Chesapeake. There are two spacious master bedrooms with nice-sized closets and bathrooms. Huge cathedral ceilings with skylights for plenty of natural light. Great maintenance-free backyard for outdoor relaxation in the warmer days. Cozy up to the warm fireplace in the colder months in the bright and airy living room. This townhouse is in the much sought-after neighborhood of Las Gaviotas, near shopping and dining, minutes to interstate, and easy access to military bases. Call for a tour today.